For you are clothed in praise and beauty.